Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to find someone's birthday on Instagram. Alright, so let's begin. If you want to find someone's birthday on Instagram, there are a few simple things you can check inside the app. First, open your Instagram application and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Once the app is open, tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen and type the person's name or username in the search bar. After opening their profile, the first place you should look is their bio section. Some people choose to mention their birth date directly in their bio, which makes it very easy to find. If they have shared it publicly, you'll be able to see it right there under their name and description. However, if the person has not mentioned their birthday in their bio, you can try another method. Go to their profile and tap on the tagged section, the tag icon. This section shows posts where other people have tagged them. Scroll through these tagged posts and look for birthday-related pictures, such as celebration photos, cakes, or posts with captions mentioning happy birthday. Often friends tag someone on their birthday, which can help you figure out the date. Keep in mind that if the person hasn't shared their birthday publicly, there's no official way to see it on Instagram, and that's it. So that's basically how you can find someone's birthday on Instagram. So that's all for this video.